Techno Teaching Info Solution TTIS presents Applications of the Principle of Flotation. 1. Flotation of iron ship. A body of density greater than that of water sinks, while a body of density lower than that of water floats on the surface of water. Ships are hollow and the empty space in it contains air, which marks the average density of ship less than that of water. Therefore, even with a small portion of the ship submerged in water, the weight of water displaced by the submerged part of the ship becomes equal to the total weight of the ship, and therefore the ship, though made of iron, floats. 2. Flotation of man. The average density of a human body depends on the portion of its constituents like bone, blood, muscles, and fat in him, as each constituent has different density. Further, it also depends on the amount of air in his lungs at that time. The average density of body with the empty lungs is 1.07 gram per cubic centimeter, while with lungs filled with air is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. 3. Flotation of submarines. A submarine is a fish-shaped watertight boat which can travel under and above water. Figure shows some parts of it which are relevant for flotation. A submarine can be made to dive into the water or rise up to the surface of water as and when desired. The reason is that a submarine is provided with several flotation or ballast tanks in its front and rear parts. If a submarine is to dive, the ballast tanks are filled with water so that the average density of the submarine becomes greater than the density of seawater, and the submarine dives into the water. If the submarine is to rise, the water from the ballast tanks is forced out into the sea by allowing the compressed air to enter the tank. This makes the average density of submarine less than that of seawater, so that the weight of water displaced by it becomes greater than the weight of the submarine, and hence the submarine rises up to the surface of water. A submarine is also provided with periscopes so that the diver could see above the water surface even when it is underwater.